Round 1. Cars.
Okay, so we're gonna start with Ghost Luby. First up, we have the BMW M4 Competition, one of Ghost's most iconic rides. This car doesn't just look aggressive, it performs aggressively too. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline 6 engine, producing around 375 kilowatts. It can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 3.8 seconds. Ghost recently had it wrapped in charcoal black, giving it that aggressive look. Its price is estimated around 2.2 million rands. Next, we have a car that screams pure performance, the Audi R8 V10. Originally, Ghost Luby's R8 came in a stunning green color, but just like his M4, he decided to wrap it in charcoal black for that sleek matching style. This beast comes with a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, pushing out 449 kilowatts. Top speed, an insane 330 kilometers per hour. And its price is around 3.4 million rand. And fun fact, Ghost traded in his Porsche GT4 to get this Audi R8, proving that when you want something faster, you go all in. Up next, a true South African classic, the BMW 3 Series E30. This car has earned legendary status over the years, and Ghost's version is no exception. It's a symbol of style, nostalgia, and pure driving pleasure. Even though it's one of the older models in his collection, the E30 remains a fan favorite among car lovers. And its price, depending on the condition and modification, is around 250,000 rands to 400,000 rands. Now, for those long trips and comfortable rides, Ghost recently added a Mercedes-Benz V-Class to his collection. This luxury van is all about space and class. It's powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine and comes packed with all the latest tech and comfort features you can think of. It's perfect for when Ghost needs to travel in style without leaving comfort behind. And its price is around 1.8 million rand. Last but definitely not least, we have the Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG, another charcoal black masterpiece. This monster packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers a whopping 375 kilowatts. It's powerful, loud, and absolutely stylish, a must-have for any car lover. And its price is estimated around 2.3 million rand. From classic BMWs to German supercars, Ghost Luby's garage is one to admire. Every car tells a story of growth, passion, and pure love for speed. Which one of Ghost Luby's rides is your favorite? Now let's move on to Casper Nyovest. First up, we have the ultimate symbol of comfort and prestige, the Mercedes Maybach GLS 600. This isn't just an SUV, it's a mansion on wheels. With its handcrafted leather seats, reclining rear lounges, and champagne holders, it's designed for royalty, and its estimated price is around 4.4 million to 4.6 million. Casper once said he likes his cars to speak luxury before he does, and this Maybach does exactly that. Next, we switch from comfort to performance with the McLaren GT, Casper's sleek British supercar. It's built for speed, elegance, and exclusivity. With a top speed of over 325 kilometers per hour and that futuristic design, this is one of the few McLarens cruising South African streets. And its estimated price is around 4 million to 5 million rands. Casper bought this beast to remind himself that hard work pays off. In horsepower, you get me. Of course, no millionaire garage is complete without a Bentley. Casper owns a Bentley Continental Flying Spur, the definition of timeless luxury and executive style. Inside, it's all handcrafted wood, leather, and silence, the kind of car you drive when you've made it. And its estimated price is around 4.5 million to 5 million. It's the perfect mix of power and presence, exactly what Casper represents. Finally, Rounding off the collection is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class Coupe, sleek, elegant, and built for everyday luxury. This is Casper's go-to ride when he's not in the mood for the spotlight. And its estimated price is between 370,000 up to 4 million there, depending on the model year. Simple, stylish, classy, just the way a boss likes it. From the Maybach's elegance to the McLaren's raw, Casper Nyovest Garage is a reflection of a pure success. Each car tells a story, from the hustle to the glory.
Round 2. Houses.
So this stunning double-story mansion belongs to Ghost Hlubi. It's located somewhere in Pretoria. The house stands out with its sleek grey and white exterior, large glass panels, and a beautifully designed balcony that adds a touch of modern sophistication. The property perfectly reflects Ghost Hlubi's taste for luxury and success. Inside, it is believed to feature spacious living areas, modern finishes, and an open-plan layout ideal for both relaxation and content creation. A home of this caliber in one of Pretoria's upmarket estates is estimated to be worth between 3 million rands and 4.5 million rands, depending on its location and interior design. Ghost Hlubi's house is a true symbol of hard work, dedication, and the rewards of consistency in his career. So this stunning white double-story mansion belongs to Casper Nyovest. It is located in the heart of Johannesburg. This luxurious home is a true symbol of success and hard work. The mansion features a sleek modern design with tall white pillars, large glass windows, and a spacious balcony that overlooks a perfectly manicured lawn. In front of the house sits an impressive collection of Casper's luxury cars, making the entire scene look like something out of a movie. Inside, the mansion is said to have multiple bedrooms, lavish living spaces, a private studio, and a home gym. With its high-end finishes and exclusive location, Casper Nyovest's mansion is estimated to be worth around 25 million rands, a clear reflection of his achievements and status in the entertainment industry. And that brings us to the end of the wealth battle between Ghost Hlubi and Casper Nyovest. We've checked out their car collections and their stunning houses. Now it's your turn to decide. Comment below and let us know who you think took the crown in this battle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next showdown. Also, drop the names of the celebrities you'd love to see battle next. Goodbye, see you on the next one. Don't forget to drop those names of celebrities you'd like to see battle next.